Thanks for checking out this episode of House Stories. I'm your host, Andrea Vecchio. Today's home takes us to the shores of Lake Erie on Catawba Island. This homeowner keeps a busy schedule with no time to spare for furniture shopping and fabric selection. And the interior of the summer home was in need of a complete makeover. That's where the designer from Herman's Furniture stepped in to take on the project. It's not hard to see why the homeowner loves this location. It's right here on the water. The goal? Transform this 1980s over-decorated and outdated space that was filled with themed wallpaper, too much color, and too many patterns, and freshen it up with a casual California contemporary style. The inspiration? Beautiful shades of blues, grays, creams, textured linen, and driftwood finishes, contrasted with soft velvets and glass throughout the home. We're inside the great room of this Catawba Island condo. Out are the monkeys and West Indies style furniture, and in is this Pacific Coast decor. These two-story windows are incredible, but how do you treat them without making it look messy? The designer chose to put a wood cornice as high as it could possibly go, and then used a subtle textured fabric rather than a bold pattern to frame the view and add to the drama of the space. Some features within a home are great, and some need to be changed. The fireplace used to be off-center here within the space. The designer worked with a contractor to move the fireplace from there to here, making a center within this great open space. Lighting is often a forgotten accessory. Here's a great design tip to brighten up a room. Rather than select lighting from the same collection, the designer coordinated unique pieces from various companies to create a custom look. With the homeowner out of town and having full confidence in Herman's Furniture, the designer was able to complete this project and meet the homeowner's vision. If you want to see more episodes of House Stories, give us a like, a share, and stay subscribed to this Herman's Furniture channel. We'll be back with more ideas for you and your home.